Muravardhanage, Assistant Professor of Commerce, Vani Sugar Government First Grade College, Hiriyur. Now talking about future value of uneven cash flow. So we can understand what is even and what is uneven. Uneven nothing but not equal, not same. Whatever the amount deposited or cash flows, not uniform. It is varying year to year. Take for example, 1000 deposited at the end of the year, 2000 deposited at the end of second year, 3000 deposited at the end of the third year. Likewise, amount or cash flows varies year to year is called as uneven. But even nothing but it is equal, same, no changes. Take for example, 1000 deposited at the end of first year, 1000 deposited at the end of the second year, third year, fourth year, so on. Likewise, future value of uneven cash flow can be calculated same basis. Only thing will be difference will be or first year or second year or third year or fourth year or fifth year comes under even. R plus R plus R plus R plus R comes under future value of quantity even cash flow. Future value of uneven cash flow R1, R2, R3, R4, R5 for a period of 5 years. R1, R2, R3, R4 for a period of 4 years. Likewise, the amount is not uniform. It is varies or changes from year to year. That is called as uneven cash flow. As the future value of annuity deposit made a particular rate of interest and for a definite period of time is calculated, we can also calculate the future value of uneven cash flows made over a period of time at a particular rate of interest by using the following formula. Future value uneven cash flow equals R1 into 1 plus I to the power of n minus 1. So I nothing but the rate of interest, n nothing but the maximum number of years minus 1. It is for first year. R2 second year cash flow R2 into 1 plus I to the power of n minus 2. 1 same amount plus I interest rate to the power of n minus 2 for a period of maximum years. N is equal to number of years. It is amount for second year plus R3 into 1 plus I interest rate to the power of maximum year will be 5 year, number of year will be 5 minus 3. Similarly, plus R4 into 1 plus I, maximum number 5 minus 4. Fifth year R5, 1 plus I, n minus 5. 5 minus 5, maximum number will be 5 years. End of the 5 years. R1, R2, R3, R4, R5 are the uneven cash flow. I is equal to interest rate, n equals to number of years. Calculate the future value at the end of the 4 years of the following series of payment at 9% rate of interest. You are going to deposit amount 4 years at the rate of 9% interest. First year, rupees 1000 at the end of the first year, rupees 2000 at the end of the second year, rupees 3000 at the end of the third year,